Hello again, it's the Guilleries, and we're trying some things we got from Five Below. We had the Spider-Man ball that worked good. These are like the whole body things. So, let's open them up and see. Who are we going to do first? Hulk or Thor?
Do Hulk.
Okay.
Hulk is your new favorite character.
No, he's not. I just did that because I thought you would think I was going to say Thor, so I wanted to.
Well, I didn't think you were going to choose Thor because you don't like Thor as much.
What?
Because Thor died in the last one. Oops. Spoilers.
I like the old Thor. I don't like the new Thor.
Okay, so let's get them out of the box. These you recharge with
Captain
your
America. No.
in your computer, but hopefully these are already charged. We'll see.
Look, he has green hair.
Yeah.
Sometimes he does, sometimes he doesn't.
Oh,
It depends on what interpretation of him it is.
I don't have green hair.
Hi, Bruce.
Hi. What?
Flying Hulk World.
Yeah, it's your favorite guy.
Don't turn green!
So it has the cord in there to recharge. And then it has an on button on the
It's so
butt.
hard to see when it's so bright out.
I know. Let's try to put it in. Can you see it?
I see
I
the
see
butt.
his booty.
No, wait, that's a little back right above the butt.
Okay.
He's a propeller on his head. Well, that's not something.
A flying Hulk.
Go ahead and try it, Adrian. What comes up? Wait, let me get closer to you. All you can do is push. Ow! Like that. Hey, bounce the floor and back up. Oh, watch out for the propellers, though.
Yeah, I don't want the propellers in my hair. Hulk's flying
I
around.
hit it over to you.
Oh,
Oh,
shoot,
did it break?
it did.
Oh, shoot. Did it break?
And you kicked my card. Why'd you put my card on the floor if you're just gonna kick it?
Oh, I forgot about that. It didn't even work anyways.
It was starting to.
There you go. Just tapped it a couple times.
Also, if you press the power button on the remote, it will turn back
this.
on.
Wait, let's watch, if it touches the floor, it goes up.
Oh!
And it crashes like a dead guy.
Hulk went boom! You might need to hit the power button.
You go, Ethan.
Oh. Okay, I'll like. Ah, no!
Hulk jumped.
Okay, let's do the Thor.
You smacked him down.
Okay, pretty cool, huh, guys?
Hulk did.
Hulk is dead. Let's do Thor.
You thought I was gonna say Thor, right?
Of course.
I didn't think so.
Why?
I thought you were going to do Hulk because, you know, Thor's a door.
Pokey pokey, my lokey dokey.
No, no. Can we?
Oh,
not?
Sam wants to eat Hulk. Don't eat Hulk. We don't eat Hulks.
Yeah.
It's nasty.
Okay, let me get him out of the package. Oops, his hand's kind of broke.
Oh.
Oh, it snapped together, but his hands, see his hands cracked? It's like he's all cracked like he fell before, and they just put him in the box like that. Poor Thor, already cracked up. Okay, what do you expect for $5, though?
Oh, Now, since when has Thor been able to fly, right?
Ow, he was higher.
Did it just fall behind the stairs?
No, it fell right here. Oh, you won't even stand up. Okay.
Oh, ah! Okay.
Why?
That's as he fell down the dang stairs. Oh, shoot.
It's definitely dead now.
It is? Did it break?
No.
Okay, well that concludes our video.
That was awful.
If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to us. Bye.
Bye.